dream.
What is that?
It's an ancient place of power. There were places like this in my galaxy. No one knows who built them. That was where...
Look.
I don't understand. I can feel the power here, but I can't make it mine. Why did it call to me?
We can take him.
No. Let me talk to him. Stay out of sight.
Be careful, Zig.
Dev!
Greebling, what are you doing here?
We have to get out of here. This place isn't safe.
No. This place will give me the strength to take revenge on you and all my enemies.
I've spent enough time with you to know there's still good...
Wrong! You just confused me last time. Made me think we could be true brothers. I never should have spared your life.
Dev. No! Jedi Bob, stay back! I'm handling this.
You heard him, Zig. He's consumed by darkness. It's time to end this!
I should have known it was a trap.
Dev, no! No, I
Darth
can't.
Devastator!
Jedi Bob! Save me!
One last time, brother. It's you and me.
It doesn't have to be like this, Dev.
Of course it does.
Yes, use your power.
What's happening?
Just a little more. Build, break. Build, break.
That voice... It can't be! Zig, Dev, you have to stop before it's too late!
Who are you?
Has it been so long? Tell them, Barbarian Aphel.